Hey friends, I just wanted to quick do a video showing you how to make a really great detox drink that I love, and it's really simple. It is just unsweetened cranberry juice and lemon juice, and apple cider vinegar. And I make it in bulk because I really like to drink it every day and I don't like to make it over and over again. You can make it fresh every day if you want to by just using like a tablespoon or two of the cranberry juice and then half a lemon and a little splash of apple cider vinegar, and then fill up your glass with water and sip that. But honestly, I just dump the whole thing of cranberry juice in a measuring cup like that, and then I squeeze 6 lemons and I add that just like that, and I take a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar and I mix that in there, and then you just put about 2 tablespoons of that mixture in a glass, fill it up with water, and you can sip on that. And it's awesome because it's just a really gentle detox for your body, helping your body just it helps your liver, your kidneys, just helps cleanse your whole digestive system in a really gentle way and in a supportive way. And I love that each thing has a special role to play in this mixture. And it's been a huge blessing. I learned about it last year when my Juice Plus community did something called the 12 Days of Detox, and we just got together and everybody was drinking this twice a day and just trying to otherwise just eat healthy whole foods. And a lot of people saw great results, and for me, I just felt like my whole system was rolling better. I was able to actually lost a little bit of weight. It was really neat, and just felt more energetic and kind of more clean inside, and so loved it, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Hope you have a great night.